Alright guys, in this video I want to show you how to play the Hexa Puzzle minigame in Hamster Kombat. Now the first thing you need to know is that in this game you can make millions of coins just by playing this game, and it doesn't have any timer. So the basic hack of this game is to note colors. Now, this Hexa puzzle is a game of colors. That's the first thing you need to note, that this is a game of colors. Once you know the colors that you have here, you can see the red, orange, purple, yellow, blue. All these are different colors. Now, all you need to do in this game is to stack up color related hexas close to each other. What I mean by that is this: all you need to do is to move the colors that you have on this base here, this base where you are picking the tiles from, and then take them closer to the nearest one that has the same color. That is basically how to play it. If you notice, some hexas do disappear from the tiles. Now this happens when a particular tile gets up to 10 in number, meaning when a particular tile is being stacked up to 10 hexas in number, that tile will disappear. 10 or more, from 10 and above, the tile will completely disappear. Like now, if you take this one closer to this place, now let me move the purple, then the purple have gotten to 10 and it has disappeared. And if you notice, you observe that my coin balance will only increase when a tile has disappeared from the screen. That is the only time that my coin balance increases. This simply means that whenever you complete a tile, the amount of coins that you see that disappears from a given tile like this is the same amount that will be added to your coin balance. Like I said earlier, this game is a game of colors. All you need to do is to take the colors of the tiles closer to the nearest color in that given sphere. That's all you need to do, and that's how to play this game effectively. Now, another thing you should note when playing this game is that when you notice that some tiles, the way you are picking them up, they have dual colors, meaning they have more than a single color in them. Like this one, it has more than a color that is in it. So you need to equally take it closer to a particular tile that has the color at the top first before the color below it. That way you can be rest assured that once the tile from the top disappears into another tile, then the one below it can still be useful in the position where it is. I've been playing this game for a while now, and so far all I've seen, the maximum I've seen, is 2 colors in a given tile. Now, since there is no timer in this game, this simply means you can earn millions of coins from this game, and it only depends on as long as you can last. That's the only factor in this game. The more you play, the longer you play it, the more coins you make. Now, this game only ends when you are out of moves, simply meaning that when your tiles don't have any other space to place the hexa, when you don't have any other space left in your tiles to place this hexa, that is when this game ends, and the number of coins you've made so far will now be added to your main coin balance. So guys, this is just how to play this Hexa puzzle game from Hamster Kombat. So if you think this video is helpful, please do all to smash the likes button, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please do all to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you soon.